Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about bulk hyperlinking in Google Sheet. So in my last video I was talking about hyperlinking in Google Sheet, but let's say you have a large data set where you want to hyperlink to cell or any to value in bulk, right? So how exactly you want to do that? So there is a very simple function which if you will apply correctly, it will do the job for hyperlinking. So I have a sample database where I will show you how exactly you can do the bulk hyperlinking. So in this database you can see some employee details are available, and it's employee personal details. So the name, gender, authenticity, and then the age, and the address, their address with like Google Map. So this is the address, and there this is the Google Map. Now let's say you want to hyperlink this one with Google Map. You don't want Google Map separately, right? So I will do the hyperlinking for all these data. Okay, so for this I have to use array function, array formula. So we'll try equal sign array formula, then hyperlink, then I will select this one first, comma, then this one, bracket closed, another bracket closed, and that's it. So you can see here each of these data has been hyperlinked. See, so this way you can hyperlink any set of data in very easily, and that's it in this video. What I will do is I will put this formula in the description box, which you can easily check it and use it. If you still have any problem, any question, I would suggest you to put your query in comment box, and I will surely get back to you as soon as possible with my answer. Thanks for your time.